Pergi kerja dulu. Tak salah meniaga, tapi maksud saya lepas belajar tu. Bila you belajar ni semua teori aja.
Betul.
It's also much theory. That when you go to the real world, nak meniaga ni kan, you have no idea what is the real world. Because you're living in an artificial world, First you're in the university. You frankly don't learn anything, kan? You are book learning, you belajar macam tu macam ni kan. What experience do you have? Nothing. So you want to jump into the real world, very difficult. Yeah. Sebab you kerja dulu. Kerja kat mana?
Kerja mana?
Kerja kat mana? So cadangan saya, walau apa saja perniagaan you nak buat, you nak buat tour untuk umrah ke, you nak jual tudung macam Aidin ke, apa sajalah nak buat, it doesn't matter. You nak buat kripto ke, tak kisah. Saya cadangkan you pergi kerja kat, kalau boleh, a big organisation.
Big organisation. How big?
If you can get in lah.
MNC.
MNC.
Any particular reason why?
They have structure.
Structure, SOP.
They are structured. What we lack normally is we don't have a structure.
Agree.
They have a structure. SOP, very clear. You can do this, you cannot do this. To do this, you must do this. They teach you your cash flow. They teach you your different. Kalau MNC, dia akan masuk 1 year kat sini, second year kat sana.
Yeah, job rotation.
So you belajar semua tau. So you belajar. You belajar nak basuh pinggang macam mana. You belajar nak masak macam mana. You belajar nak cuci tandas macam mana. So semua you belajar. So you have a very good feel of what is there.